this event is a really great opportunity for families to get to come in. They get to meet their teacher, but they also get to learn a little bit about what we're going to do throughout the year. We've done Meet the Teacher before, usually right before school starts, but then about 2 weeks into school we do a curriculum night. So we decided to merge the two in hopes of having even greater engagement. All right, so this is just kind of a quick overview of what our daily schedule looks like.
We are doing this tonight because we wanted our community to really gather together and be together for an evening event where they were getting the benefit of learning about the academics that we want to focus on during the school year.
Hi Brandon, I'm Miss Brashears.
They get to meet their teacher before school starts, so that just kind of alleviates some of the anxiety about knowing who is their teacher, who are their friends, who's in their class. So they benefit greatly, and they can have a vision of what their classroom will look like when they show up on the first day of school.
It's great. It's super great.
Connect with people we've met previously.
Because I knew there would be a lot of people that I know.
I like to know who my son is with and who's teaching him.
It helps them not only recognize the facility, but recognize the people, and it helps them feel comfortable and safe. It helps them have a sense of belonging.
It lets you get connection with everybody, like your friends and teachers.
It was reassuring to me to put faces to names, to see the layout of the school.
It's a nice, easy experience that eases their mind for the first day of school.
It's gonna feel new and great.
It was fun, and we are going to get popsicles at the end.